just so you guys know, these come off. And plus the Ultra gear. It's supposed to stay on, but I guess it's working like Phoenix armor. As you can see, the gimmick is about ready to activate. Now it's pretty lit, but yeah, you guys, that was the battle right there with Super Hyperion and Ultraus Nebula V2, along with the Ultra gear and the bullet wings, whatever you want to call them. That's what I call them, the bullet wings, because they act like the parts that I made to one of my old Beyblade mods last year. Or the year before last, before I started getting before I got my printer and all that good stuff. But yeah, man. Slap that on and you got it in Ultra mode. But yeah, man. Hope you guys liked this video, man. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, man. Until next time, blade on, deuces, peace.